Oh man, I am freaking out. It's been 8 days. Eight days since I've had a robot cock. All the snow's pretty well gone though, so that's good. I was planning on taking a load in today, but then woke up in the morning, 4 o'clock in the morning, like drips on the air conditioner. So figured out day route, but not like we don't got tons to do around here. Work on the truck some more and different things, but let's look onto it now. Kind of got to figure out, the best scenario. I think I'm just gonna have to finish cutting the front of this off. Try not to wreck it though, because then I can reuse that because it's still totally good. But even, I got the other ones too, but I'm gonna try to use both of those on this side if I can. Figure it out. But yeah, still a ways to go. I mean, we got the bottom of this guy tore off of there, so it's no longer fastened on the bottom, but like it even kinked up here, like into the roof. So goodness gracious. But I mean, you can just loosen off all these spot welds. Like, it's supposed to have a drill bit come too. I've been waiting for this drill bit to make my life a little easier. Is this one that I got's all friggin' chazzled. Is, you only got so many holes in the end of it. You can't really sharpen that guy. I mean, I'm sure you could if you spend a minute, but it's like I don't know, it's got a multifaceted tip onto it. But anyways, still just jonesing big time for robot cocks. We cut this piece out here for the intercooler pipe. Got a little overzealous, not too bad, but yeah, that should fit. And this side shouldn't be too bad. It's a couple things. But I started dicking around with this, and then it's like, well, no sense in doing any of that until we get this friggin' cab at least a little bit more straight. At least just a little bit, probably. But anyways, top of the morning to you boys. Top of the mornings. Look at this brand new friggin', just covered in water. End of it's already rusty. I think this was over $100 for that cap. Junk. Oh, how's that gonna work now? Marvelous. Only a little bit of water, so that's good. I had the dump truck on charge for like 2 days, so that's probably just chooched the batteries big time. That's nice. Just tire urine terrible. What happened?
Well, I grabbed that one tire and it seemed a little loose on the side. Grabbed my bungee cord.
A little securement tech.
In case you do some high-speed maneuvering.
Well, you never know.
Oh, I didn't want you to lose the tire on the way. Oh, this felon's fault.
Yeah, that's Donaker. That's Donaker moat. Like actually.
You got some kind of drag or anything? Sit on?
Careful, princess.
Well, I didn't know I was going to be working. I wore my good clothes.
Let me see.
Nothing.
Your good slacks. Oh, you got your good slacks on for running tires.
Good sweater and good shirt. Oh no. Where's my ladder?
My dip's in the way.
What's this? Hold your roof up?
Yeah, oh, it's for my camera, but I need to replace this. See, it turns, it twists. It sort of like unscrews and shit. Startled the shit out of you. Are you okay? Oh, oh my goodness gracious. A little
I'm a
pulmonary.
little old for that kind of shit, you know?
Yeah. Oh, that was
What are you even
close,
thinking?
right?
Broken.
So I don't know. I should probably go around, back right in there, but I'll just dump it right there, and then we'll have to stack them all. But
Stack them all where?
well, right here.
Right there?
Yeah, right in the middle of the stack.
Oh, buddy's coming to help us. Look.
Oh, friggin' right he is.
What? What?
You think?
You not coming out to help?
Probably not.
Oh. Got a special way of wrapping them, or
Nope.
or just grab and go.
Yep.
No time to piss around. That's nice. I'll put her in the floor. All right, I'm coming. Get on the other side.
Should we dump it or just toss them?
Oh, I don't care.
It needs a little lubrication.
Oh, nice.
Oh, that was real nice. Fuck.
Thank you.
No problem.
Hey, you want to have some fun and go unload some tires? Buddy.
What? Holy, they're over there playing trap. They're big time.
Should store them inside. Then they wouldn't get water. How high do you want to go?
Might as well go right to the moon.
That guy stinks.
That stinks?
That guy.
Who? Scared?
Yeah. Got some on me.
You're decent. You got your good friggin' tracksuit on. Your good pantaloons.
Oh. Now how are you going to close the door? Now you got to move them. Great.
Just great.
Push, push. Oh my goodness gracious. You need some lubrication.
Friggin' classy fellas down here Molson tires, boys. You don't come out friggin' screaming and yelling at you, threatening to pound you.
What happened?
I was just telling them how we didn't get abused.
Got a little wet though. Somebody's fucking splashing me and shit.
Wow. Were you paying attention to what you're doing? You know what I mean? Probably not.
Not too much. Oh, hey, it's still there.
Oh, phew.
I thought I lost it.
Oh, that'd be cool. Flick it off in the bushes and don't say nothing.
I was going to hide it in one of those tires and then you could hear the splish splash of the birds getting them drink and stuff. Right up to the nuts.
No.
You should have came to St. Thomas.
No, I quit that place. She comes for good.
I just shoveled twice, 2 days in a row. Now it's gone. It's up to the piles. Supposed to get another storm on Thursday too. Wednesday night into Thursday. Snowing and blowing and windy and cold. Not nice.
Holy schnikewitz, boys. It's like minus 11,000 out. Got friggin' jammy pants. Look at this. Friggin' jammy pants should be out here friggin' packing. Oh, it's just in time for break, eh? Probably just in time for break. Look at them.
What's going on?
I turn around for 3 minutes. You didn't sweep up one bit of dirt, and you're already going in for break. Right on, man. That's awesome. You almost friggin' got away with her, eh? Look at you go, buddy. You did it. Look at you go.
It's kind of cold. The broom's kind of actually.
Look at you go.
The broom's frozen.
Look at it. Look at you go. Holy cow. Holy. Ah. Let's grab my shit out of the way here. Get the stink hose on, my good one. Oh, you should go over there and get some tokes. Eh? It's gonna suck all Felon's carny babies out of the freaking Donaker, and you're not gonna be able to impregnate your butthole anymore. Eh? Oh no! Oh no! Eh? Oh no!
I'd hate to be the one to suck.
Oh, could you imagine? All the soups. You want to do that? Oh, you want to do that? Oh. Okay, let's check out your technique over here a little bit. Oh, you missed a couple, buddy. There you go. Look at you go. You did it. Oh, it's just gonna fucking reek so bad I'm gonna freak out.
Seriously?
Oh, fuck yeah. See if this bitch will start in the Sub-Zeros. Oh yeah. Coming turbo diesel, boys. Purrs like a katoon. Coming turbo diesel. Coming turbo diesel. Coming turbo. Fucking sweet. Decent.
I got most of it out, but there's still some frozen toilet paper and shit there. So.
Right on.
For a while anyway.
Right on.
Bye, man.
Much obliged. Thank you. Check this out though. Got a little bit more chiseled off crawdad's truck. So that middle piece, you can see there's like a seam right there and a seam right there. So that whole middle section has an inner rocker too. Whereas the front and the back, you know, the inner rocker is a separate piece. So hopefully it would just be able to remove the. I ordered a drill bit from Amazon's and it's not coming. I gotta get my money's back. It's not even coming. They told me, oh, it'll be here, this day. So I'm like, okay. So I'm like, oh, a couple more days and I can get that drill bit. And then it's just not coming. So I'm like, well, fuck it. I gotta do this. So just use the other drill bit. But it's bare, it doesn't work very good. So freaking dicking around. Just keep checking. Oh, where's this freaking drill bit? And then turns out that it's gotten lost at the Amazon's facility in Brampton, of all places. So somebody in Brampton's got a brand new friggin' spot welder drill bit. Fucking, I gotta wait like 3 more days before I can get my money back for it. It's getting hard, boys. Oh, but I still gotta have some breakfast and go pick up the Felon too. So hold your friggin' horses.